Get into the 2021 Volkswagen Golf. This practical, affordable Golf delivers excellent value. From its responsive handling and quick acceleration to its suite of advanced safety tech and fuel efficiency, this convenient compact is an ideal daily driver. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, power passenger seat, blind spot monitor, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel ahead of the curve in this economical Golf. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.